Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about while loop in Python. Okay, so while loop contain three parts: initialization, condition and updation. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed about for loop. Okay, if you didn't watch it, please go and watch. So the for loop contain three parts: initialization, condition and updation. So what is meant by initialization? Initialization is nothing but storing value into variable. Okay, so I am storing 3 into a variable that is called m. So this is known as initialization. The next one is while condition. So I less than or equals to 5. So this is the condition. Okay, so next here while is a keyword and this is one condition. So if the condition is true, then we need to print the statement. So I want to print I value. So after printing, I need to increase the I value. I is equals to I plus 1. So in Python, we don't have incrementation operation like plus plus. So that's why we need to use arithmetic operation, addition operation. Okay, so here first I value is 3, initialization, while condition. So if the condition is true, then it goes to inside the loop. If the condition is false, it comes out from the loop. Okay, no? Yes, so let's execute this program. Yes, so here the output is 3, 4 and 5. Why? Because let's see here I value is 3. So I value 3 less than or equals to 5. So we are printing I value. Okay, that is 3. Next I value is incremented to 4. 4 less than or equals to 5 is true. That's why it will print 4. Next I value is incremented to 5. 5 less than or equals to 5 is true. That's why it will print 5. 3, 4, 5. So if you want to print 3 times hello, then you need to put here hello. Okay. Let's execute this program. So hello will be printed 3 times. Okay. So in this way we can print the statements. So if you want to execute these statements number of times, then you need to use while loop or for loop. Okay. So by using while loop, we can perform the addition of natural numbers. Okay, so for example, I want to perform the addition of 5 numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So I want to perform these operations. So that's why I need to take first s is equals to 0. Okay, s is equals to 0. Next I value is 5. Why? Because I want to perform addition of 5 natural numbers. So that's why I so here I am taking 0. Okay, I less than or equals to 5. Then we need to do s is equals to s plus I. S is equals to s plus I. So after that, after performing addition, we need to print the s value. Why? Because it contains the sum of natural numbers, 5 natural numbers. Let's see. So here it will print 15. So let's see the execution process. S value is 0. I value is 0. Okay. 0 less than or equals to 5 is true. So that's why 0 plus 0, 0. Next I value is incremented to 1. Next 1 less than or equals to 5. S value is 0. I value is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Next I value is incremented. 2 less than or equals to 5 is true. Next S value is 1 plus I value is 2. 3. Okay. Next 3 plus 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే s is equals to s plus I. సో ఐ వాల్యూ కాన్స్టాంట్ గా చేంజ్ అవుతూనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, రిపీటెడ్ లో ఇంక్రిమెంటేషన్ జరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఎస్ వాల్యూ ఐ వాల్యూ రెండు కూడా యాడ్ అయ్యి ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతాయి అంటే ఎస్ లోనే స్టోర్ అవుతాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 0+1 1 ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది? ఎస్ లో. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంక్రిమెంటేషన్ తర్వాత ఎస్ వాల్యూ ఎంత? 1 అవుతుంది. ఐ వాల్యూ 2 అవుతుంది. 1+2 3. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ వాల్యూ is incremented to 3. S value is 3, I value is 3. 3 plus 3 6. సో ఇలా ఇంక్రిమెంటేషన్ అనేది జరిగిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ పర్ఫార్మింగ్ ఆల్ ద అడిషన్స్ దెన్ వీ నీడ్ టు ప్రింట్ ద ఎస్ వాల్యూ. ఓకేనా? సో వైల్ లూప్ లో ఫర్ లూప్ లో మనం ఇండెంటేషన్ కంపల్సరీగా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఇండెంటేషన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ యాడింగ్ వైట్ స్పేసెస్ బిఫోర్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్స్ టు ఇండికేట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ బ్లాక్. ఓకే, సో ఇండెంటేషన్ కూడా ఒక సెపరేట్ వీడియో చేశాను. ఒకవేళ చూడకపోతే ప్లీజ్ go and watch. So if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.